Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach about subtraction. Okay. See, subtraction. Subtraction. See, just recall here. Observe the pictures and write the subtraction fact by streaking out the objects. Okay. See the first sum. Write the subtraction fact inside the box to get the difference 2. 1 is done for you. Okay. Now we will get the answer 2. Okay. See the first sum. How many umbrellas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 from 4 strikeout. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strikeout means what is the remainder? 2. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay. Here what asking ma? To get the difference 2. So our answer also 2. Next sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Totally how many umbrellas? 10 umbrellas. Okay. We want the answer 2. So this 2 leave it. Remaining everything we can strike out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 10 from totally 10 umbrellas. 10 from how many we strike out here? 8. Okay. So 10 from 8 subtract means we will get remainder 2. 10 from 8 subtracts means we get the answer 2. Okay. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 umbrellas. We want the answer 2. This 2 leave it. Remaining strike out. Okay. So 4. Totally 4 umbrella. Minus how many we strike out here? 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Next. See the next sum. How many umbrellas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 umbrellas. We want the answer 2. So this 2 leave it. Remaining everything strike out. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So minus 3. 5 from 3 umbrellas strike out means we get the answer 2. Okay. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next sum. Write the number statement to get the answer 6. Okay. Now we get the answer 6. Okay. See what are the pictures? Balls. Some balls are there. Okay. See the first sum. How many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Totally how many balls? 10 balls. Okay. Now we want the answer 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 6 balls you leave it. Remaining everything strike out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Strike out means what is the answer? 10 from 4 strike out means we will get answer 6. Okay. We want the answer 6. So these 6 balls leave it. Remaining strike out means we will get 6 answer. So 10 minus 4. 10 balls from 4 balls subtract means we get the answer 6. Okay. See the next sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Totally 9 balls. Okay. 9 from we want the answer 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 balls leave it. Remaining 3 balls strike out. Okay. 9 from 3 subtract means we will get the answer 6. So 9 from 3 subtract means we get the answer 6. 9 balls from 3 balls strike out means remaining we get 6 balls. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. See the next sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So totally how many balls? 10 balls. Okay. 10 from we want 6 balls. Okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 leave it. Remaining every balls strike out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We want the answer 6. So 6 balls leave it. Remaining everything strike out. So 10 from how many strike out here? 4. So 10 from 4 subtract means we will get the answer 6. Okay. See the next sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Totally 6 balls. Now we want the answer also 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leave it. Remaining any balls available? No. So what you write here? 0. So 6 from 0 subtract means we will get the answer 6. We need 6 balls. Here already 6 balls. So extra balls no here. So what you do? Put 0. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Okay. See here every answers are 6. All the answers are 6. Okay. Next, write the subtraction fact to get the answer 1. Okay, now we want the answer 1. Okay, see what are the pictures? Watch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 watches. Okay, 8 from, we want the answer 1. Okay, this 1 only leave it. Remaining everything strike out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8 from 7 subtract means we get the answer 1. 8 watches from 7 watches strike out means we get the answer 1. Next picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 from, we want the answer 1. So this 1 only leave it. Remaining everything strike out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 from 6 subtract means we get the answer 1. Next, 1, 2, 3. So totally 3 watches. We need 1. Remaining everything strike out. So 2 strike out means we get the answer 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 from 1. 2 strike out means what is the answer? 1. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Totally 9 watches. Okay, we need only 1. Remaining everything strike out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 9 from 8 strike out means we get the answer 1. 9 watches from 8 watches subtract means remaining 1 watch. Okay. Next, fourth sum, subtract the following. Okay, next they are giving the numbers. Okay, see 13 from 7 subtract. Okay, 13 from 7 subtract means what is the answer? Okay, mom. So like this come means what you do? First number 13. Okay, small number. Okay, so what you do? Just draw 13 lines. See ma, here 13 lines are available. This 13 from how many we can subtract? 7. Okay, how many we can subtract? 7 lines. Okay, strike out now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 13 from 7 strike out means what is the remaining answers? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what is the answer? 6. 13 lines from, we don't want 7 line. Okay, so that 7 lines you subtract. Okay, that means strike out. Okay, remaining we want. Okay, that is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13 lines from 7 lines we don't want. So strike out. Remaining how many lines? 6 lines. So 13 from 7 subtract means we get the answer 6. Okay. Next sum, 16 minus 9. Okay, now how many lines we can draw? 16 lines. Okay, that 16 lines from, we strike out 9. Okay, next remaining count and write here. See here 16 lines are available. Okay, 16 lines from, we don't want 9 lines. So subtract that one. Okay, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 9 lines are we don't want. Okay, remaining lines are count and write here. See remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so what's your answer? 7. 16 lines from 9 lines subtract means remaining is 7. Okay, so 16 from 9 subtract means what is the answer? 7. See the next sum. 18 minus 4. 18 lines from 4 subtract means what is the answer? Okay, now let us see. See ma, here 18 lines are available. This 18 lines from how many we can subtract? 4 only subtract. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 subtracted after. How many lines are there? That one count and write here. See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So 18 from 4 subtract means what is the answer? 14. Okay. Next listen. 10 minus 3. 10 from how many we can subtract? 3. Okay. 3 subtract after remaining count and write here. See here. Here 10 lines are available. Okay. See this 10 from how many we can subtract? 3. Okay. Now subtract the 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Remaining count and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 from 3 subtract means what is the answer? 7. Okay. Next topic, we have one story. Seema birthday celebration. Okay. Satish distributed 20 peanut cakes. That means peanut cake means what? Kadalai mittai. Okay. To his friends on his birthday. Okay. Satish celebrate his birthday. Okay. In this birthday, he distributed what? Sweet peanut cake. Okay. To his friends. Okay, mom. Totally how many peanut cakes? 20. Okay. 20. First friend get 4. Okay. First friend get how many peanut? 4. Okay. 20 from 4 subtract means we will get 16. Okay. Next, that 16 from second friend get 3 peanut cakes. Okay. So 16 from 3 subtract means we will get 13. Okay. That 13 from third friend get 5 peanut cakes. Okay. Here Satish distributed 5 peanut cakes to his third friend. Okay. Remaining how many peanut cakes are there? 8. Okay. Now that 8 from he distributed 2 peanut cakes to another one friend. Okay. So 8 from 2 subtract means what is the answer? Same. 8 from 2 go means what is the answer? 6. Okay. That 6 from again he distributed 3. Okay. 6 from again he distributed 3 peanuts cakes. Okay. So remaining what? 6 from 3 go means what answer? 3. Okay. Now 3 from how many distributed means he will get 0. That 3 from again 3 peanut cakes distributed means he will get 0. Okay. Now finally he has 3 cakes. That 3 cake also distributed to another one friend. Okay. So 3 from 3 go means what is the final answer? 0. Okay, ma.